Put simply, virtual reality marketing is any type of marketing that is delivered using virtual reality technology. Virtual reality content consists of a 3D environment which can be explored using a specialist headset. The VR content could be a 360 image, a virtual reality video, or even an interactive VR game. This is an increasingly popular form of travel marketing used by various sectors of the industry. For instance, hotels use VR tours to showcase their hotel rooms, while travel agents offer VR videos of tourist attractions. Voice research is another emerging technology which marketers are utilizing to great effect, capitalizing on the popularity of smart home hubs from the likes of Google and Amazon, as well as smartphone apps. A growing number of customers are turning to these devices to make hotel, flight and transport bookings using online travel agencies. In addition to offering this kind of service, marketers can also optimize web content to capitalize on voice searches. Furthermore, hotels are increasingly using smart hubs within their hotel rooms, improving the customer experience. As influencer marketing is the practice of marketing to customers through influential individuals who have an existing following on social media sites like Instagram and YouTube. It is similar to endorsement marketing in that their audience trusts them. Thanks for watching.